Today on my Etsy store, I increased the price of my best-selling item, and I'll tell you why and how I did this. The behind-the-scene store management for my store, which is relatively modest, I have the following listings: a projector magnifier, I have digital services, and I have calendars. So I can tell you that the magnifier is one of the best seller. This one, the head mount magnifier used to be the best seller, but I think after a few years, this thing is catching up. My problem is that I don't have access to low-cost Chinese supplies anymore. So one of the things I did is to throttle the sales. And this can be done by easiest thing is to increase the price. So I have uploaded a lot of pictures. Pictures are very important. The thumbnail of this is very important. And description is important. You can set your price dynamically. Okay, so let me show you some of the information about marketing and ads. For Etsy ads, you have to know that you're only pay Etsy for the ad fee if somebody clicks it, so you don't get charged for views. And secondly, you can look up the analytics. I put more products, even some of the stuff that's not very well selling, on the ad because each ad spot would occupy only one place. And I want, when somebody is viewing a page, I want my store to have more items than just one, even though I know some of the items don't sell. And I think this is critical just to occupy a spot. Also keep in mind that you really don't pay for it until somebody clicks it. You can look at how many people click the view, and typically 2%, 1 to 2% is the click to impression rate. Impression is when somebody sees your thumbnail, and when they click, that's a 2%. So this is very important for you to know.